Hi guys, welcome back to GuideWise. This is Mar, and today I'm going to show you how to design graphic posts using Kittl. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First things first, click the link down below so you can get started with Kittl, and you're going to select right here once you create your account and you log in, start with AI. Now you're going to describe what you want to generate. So let's say I want to create a Instagram post for my jewelry company. So you're gonna go ahead and give AI your prompt, and then you're gonna click on generate. Select where you wanna design your post, and then you just have to wait for Kittl AI to run its magic. Here you're gonna see a countdown, and it's going to show you how long it's going to take AI to create your post, literally less than 30 seconds. And there you have it. It literally created a post for me in seconds. No, I did not touch it. As you guys saw, it was all AI. It included a logo in case you're just getting started with your business. I recommend that you check Kittl AI. We're going to leave the link down below for you guys, and it's honestly one way to save money and to start growing your brand. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.